Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. And today I'm going to be sharing something just a little bit different because I really need to start getting my Christmas cards done. I don't know about you, but I always wind up running out of time right before the holidays. And I plan on doing more and then just don't really have the time to get it all done. I mean, there's so many different fun things that we get to do at Christmas time, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, just the winter holidays, that we just don't have enough time to get it all squeezed in, and sometimes we run out of the ideas that we kind of need to get done first. Well, right now is probably a good time to get started on your Christmas cards if you haven't already done so, okay? I'm still working on getting my Halloween cards out in the mail, so if you are expecting one from me, it'll be there soon. Hopefully it will be there before Halloween, which is like Sunday. Anyway, I want to do a better job on my Christmas cards, though. You know what I mean? Anyway, what I wanted to let you know about is something that Brandy Mahon with Stamp Me Some Love has been doing. Last summer, she did a card maker success summit to help people get started on their card making and get everything ready for future. So you basically have a stash to pull from when it came time. And it was all focused on Christmas cards. There were 25 different presenters. Some of them are good friends of mine, and I'm so excited because I get to be in the next one that's coming up in February. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you more details on that as we get closer on it. But for this summit, for the one that was in July, the summit was jam-packed with awesome presentations. I typed everything up so I would have some notes to go on because I don't want to forget anything to tell you guys. There were a lot of fun, and I actually shared one of the cards that was in the summit. I shared how to make all of that on my channel. You didn't get the flyer and everything that was presented with it. This was the one from Erin Reed Makes. I did this one back in July. It was a fun fold card, and it came with her digital kit and the whole bit. So you get a lot of stuff whenever you attend one of those classes. Thing is, what they do is the classes were available during the summit only. These were exclusive. And then if you missed anything, you could always purchase the All Access Pass at the time. And the All Access Pass at the time, what was included in that was lifetime access to all 25 presentations, which was a $1,200 value, a 298-page Holiday Card Project Workbook with a card project planning calculator, which was a $59 value, premium bonus content from the host, which is Brandy Mahon with Stamp Me Some Love, which is over a $100 value, which includes her craft room organization guide workbook, her free card and technique classes, exclusive discounts to her shop. Now that's a lot right in itself. Plus, you gain access to the Card Maker Success Summit attendee group, which is right now closed to new members. You can only get in if you are a VIP member, okay? And the best part is that right now, during this sale, she is offering this for $49, which is 35% off of the full price. That was $139. So if you're excited about that, head on over to the website and I've got a link down below for you so you can get that All Access Pass. But as a bonus, what I'm doing is I'm going to be, if you purchase the All Access Pass using my affiliate link down below, and yes, I am getting a small commission back on this, so if I'll purchase it using my affiliate link, I'm offering free admission to my next Christmas card workshop, which is a $15 value on top of everything. So, just wanted to let you guys know about all this. I will be giving more information as we go through the sale. It's only going to be here a couple of days. You've got a very finite amount of time that you can decide if you want to participate in that. And if you don't, it's no big deal. I do know that the classes that I went to during the summit were a lot of fun. We had Erin Reed was one of the folks. Brandy Mahon, of course, was on there. We had Lauren Taylor, which you just saw her this last week on my live stream. There was Lauren Baird, so many different people. And during the presentations, this is kind of a plug for the February one, is that if you're attending the classes during the summit, they also have a live chat afterwards, so you could chat with the folks, and they were also in the chat during, most of them were in the chat during their presentation because it was a pre-recorded thing. Anyway, this was a lot of fun to go to last summer. I'm looking forward to rewatching some of those videos to get some more ideas. And I encourage you, if you are needing some card making inspiration for your Christmas cards, this is definitely a very good place to start. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. And remember, if I can make it, you can too. Talk to you later.